How to duplicate object in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate object in Figma. In order to do so, first of all, open your Figma application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you'll be able to see the create button. Simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Now from here, select this design option. By doing so, now you will be taken to the editing space. Now here, first draw the object. You may simply click on this rectangle at the very bottom and then draw it in your canvas. Now once after drawing it, if you'd like to duplicate this object, then there are several ways to do so. The first one is to use Ctrl+D key. First select the object and then simply press on Ctrl+D keys from your keyboard to instantly duplicate the object in the same position. The duplicate appears above the original in the layers panel. You can simply drag it to the empty space in order to view it. Alternatively, you may also press and hold the Alt key and then drag the object to the empty space. By doing so, you'll also be able to duplicate the object. You can also right-click on the object and then from the menu here, simply select the copy option and then now simply click on the empty space of your editing panel and here from this menu select paste here option. By doing so, you'll be able to duplicate the object. So this is how you can duplicate object in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.